Right, this is again a retake of the travelators that Tesco has. I'm not ASDA Barking.
Stand still and hold the handrail whilst travelling.
Here it is. It's empty, not too busy again. 20th of November. Oh, this feels so steep. Again, no one's here, it's just empty. Middle one this time isn't working, unfortunately. Let's have a quick look. So it says, as you can see, emergency button. Oh god, both lights are flickering this time.
Caution, you are approaching the end of the conveyor. Please step off.
Right. Oh, this is the end of the video. Thank you, bye.